Hello, we're continuing with the Math 104 Gateway questions. This is question number 100 from the pool of 96 to 105. The question says to simplify within its domain the expression x cubed plus 5x squared plus 6x all over x cubed minus 4x. So step number one is to combine into one fraction. As you can see, it's already in one fraction. So the next step is to factor the numerator and the denominator. So let's write those down. So the numerator we have here is x cubed plus 5x squared plus 6x. So if you'll notice that each term in this expression has a factor of x, so in fact I can factor out x from each one of these terms. So step number one, I can factor out x. What I have now is x squared. If I factor x from this, I have 5x. And if I factor x plus 6 from 6x, then I have just 6 left over. Okay, so this is step number one in factoring. We factor the numerator. However, you can see this expression can actually be simplified even further. So what we can do is say, well, what factors into 6 and adds to be 5? And if you think about it, 3 and 2 will work. So this expression here factors into x plus 2 and x plus 3. Now if you check that, it works out. Okay? And this is the numerator fully factored, so we can turn to the denominator now. Which is x cubed minus 4x. So similarly to what we just did, there's a factor of x in each term here, so I can factor out x. So if I take x from x cubed, I'm left with x squared, and if I take x from 4x, I'm left with 4. And now we have x squared minus 4. This is a difference of squares, so this is really x squared minus 2 squared. So by the difference of squares formula, this is x minus 2, x plus 2. Okay, so we have now factored the numerator and the denominator. So let's write down the expression in its factored form. So the numerator is now x times x plus 2 times x plus 3. And the denominator is x times x minus 2 times x plus 2. And what we can do now is cancel these x's, and you can cancel x plus 2. And that leaves you with x plus 3 divided by x minus 2. This is your final answer, and this is the way that you can write it into your Gateway exam.